Hi everyone, this is Brian from Hobby Quest, and today I'll be showing you a really interesting rope trick. So what I have here is a magical rope. If I give it a few rubs, 1, 2, 3, and say a magic word, abracadabra, hocus pocus, then the rope instantly turns into a piece of silk. Alright, so this is how the trick is done. This is called the rope to silk trick. And what you have is you have a outer part which looks like a rope, and in the inside we have a red silk. This is actually very similar to one of the other tricks you might have done called the color changing silk trick. It's the same premise where you have a piece of silk tucked away inside something else. In this case it's a rope. So when you start the trick, you're going to want to make sure that the silk is not showing. So you're going to want to hold that in your hand and just close your hand up, tuck it away so that the silk is no longer visible, and keep that in your hand. When you're ready to do the trick, go ahead and just give it a few rubs. I like to count 1, 2, 3, then say a magic word, hocus pocus, and when you say that magic word, just go ahead and grab the rope and just pull until you pull all the way down. Once that's done, let the silk drape over your hand to cover up the rope underneath. Make sure you tuck the rope away in your hand as well so that nobody can see it. Just like that, and if you do it quickly, it'll look just like this. So tuck everything away. 1, 2, 3, hocus pocus, and it'll look just like this, and you won't see the rope. So a few things to note when you're doing this trick. Make sure you tell students to be very gentle with their trick. They don't want to pull it very hard. So when they pull the silk, they don't want to pull it too hard, otherwise they may just pull the silk and break it off, and then your trick will be ruined because the silk will be disconnected from the rope. They also don't want to invert it, so they don't want to flip the rope inside out. That will ruin the trick as well. So just make sure your students are nice and gentle with it as they do it, so they don't break anything as they're doing the trick. And this is the rope to silk trick. I hope this was informative for you, and I hope you have a great quest.